Hello dear students, welcome to today's class. Children, we are carrying on with the revision work, Political Science, Chapter 1 on Equality. A lot of discussions had happened where we have discussed about Om Prakash Valmiki. We have also discussed about Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, the different kind of inequalities that are there. हमने two examples देखे. Majorly, we have seen two examples. In one example, we have talked about inequality based on caste. In the other one, we have talked about inequality based on religion. Now, caste-based inequality, religion-based inequality, these are there. The changes that are there, the attitude of the people towards the lower caste cannot be appreciated. ये जो चीजें हो रही हैं, whatever things are happening and in whatever way it is happening, it should change because change is the law of the nature. दुनिया में change बहुत जरूरी है. So the persons are aware कि discrimination is there against the law. They continue to treat people unequally on the basis of caste, religion, disability, economic status. And many a times it happens that inequality is there for women also. So it is like when people begin to believe that no one is inferior, every person deserves to be treated with dignity. Now, हर एक इंसान को डिग्निटी के साथ रहने का बहुत ज्यादा हक है. That present attitudes can change. It is how dignity के साथ we need to be staying. So establishing equality establish करना है. One very important thing is to treat everyone with equality and with dignity. So when dignity is there, when equality is there, so persons are aware that discrimination is to be there, is against the law. हर एक इंसान को इज्जत से रहने का हक है. So establishing equality in a democratic society, continuously this is a struggle, and in which individuals as well as various communities in India, if they are contributing and we will read more about this in the book. Issue of equality. देखो equality we have taken the example of Om Prakash Valmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. कांता का भी एक example था. Oh, I'm sorry. We had also seen the example of Kanta. Now what we are doing? अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? अब we will be seeing about issue of equality in other countries. In our country, we have inequality on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion and other aspects also. In other countries, how is inequality practiced? Let's see that. Equality is there. Properly, we need to wonder about India is the only democratic country where there is inequality, and the struggle for equality continues to exist. आज भी equality is there. Truth है कि बहुत सारी democratic countries में, in many democratic countries, issue of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. So, this is issue of equality in other democracies. कम्युनिटीज आर स्ट्रगलिंग, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटीज आर देयर। जैसे कि हम एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूएसए। ठीक है, इन यूएसए व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटीज आर देयर, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन communities, okay, struggle a lot. काफी ज्यादा स्ट्रगल है। The ancestors were the slaves who were brought over from Africa. आज the African American communities who are there, these were the people जिनको अफ्रीका से पकड़ के लाया गया था। Black people, they were called in the white areas. The life that is today all over Africa, their lives today are largely unequal. So there was a movement in late 1950s. Okay, so the African people were brought to America by their ancestors you understand ना, उनकी बहुत पिछली पीढ़ी, got it, पहले के लोग जो थे, the olden people that were there, African Americans, they were treated extremely unequally in the United States and they denied equality through law. लॉ के थ्रू इक्वालिटी इन्होंने डिनाई कर दिया। एंड 1950s में दिस मूवमेंट हैड स्टार्टेड। ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर द ईयर 1950s movement had started. Big movement. How it has been started? Movement has been started to push for equal rights, to push for equal rights for African Americans. They were treated extremely unequally United States में, and इनको कह दिया गया कि they were denied equality through law. जैसे when they were traveling by bus, they either had to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seat whenever a white person wished to sit. कितनी गलत बात है। Suppose I am sitting there, suppose you are sitting there, ठीक है, and somebody comes and tells, hey you black person, आप काले हो, पीछे जाओ, go and sit at back. This is very humiliating. ठीक है, they back of the bus, they are to get up from their seat whenever the white person wished to sit. Now what happened? This movement majorly had started by one of the incident. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे incident हैं. The one incident that is mentioned here, you need to remember about the name also. That is about Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was an African American woman. African American woman. Okay. कितनी बार क्या होता है, अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन वुमेन थी, ब्लैक वुमेन, शी वॉज अ ब्लैक वुमेन, तो होल डे शी हैड वर्कड इन हर ऑफिस एंड शी रिफ्यूज टू गिव हर सीट टू द बस टू अ वाइट मैन. एक वाइट आदमी आया, उसने कहा कि जस्ट गेट अप फ्रॉम हियर एंड गेट आउट. तो 1 December 1955 में, तो हर रिफ्यूजल दैट दे स्टार्टेड अ ह्यूज एजिटेशन. काफी बड़े वे में ये एजिटेशन शुरू हुआ अगेंस्ट द अनइक्वल वेज इन विच अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन्स वेयर ट्रीटेड. रोजा पार्क्स had said no. रोजा पार्क्स ने कह दिया कि that she will not move from there, and she was asked to move from her seat and accept the back seat. तो when she refused, बहुत ज़्यादा उसको मिसबिहेव किया गया एंड पीपल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड अपोज्ड इट. लोगों ने इसको बहुत अपोज किया. दैट हाउ अ लेडी कुड बी ट्रीटेड लाइक दिस. इस तरह से किसी महिला के साथ व्यवहार कैसे हो सकता है. Got it? And then the movement started. Please understand आपको इसमें क्या बताना है. What you have to mention here, something, एक तो रोजा पार्क्स का name you have to remember. Another thing, that why we are discussing about Rosa Parks, because she is the lady who laid down the foundation of a very big movement. What was this big movement? This was the civil rights movement. ठीक है, civil rights movement had happened and it started, so the movement had started. Okay, Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion or national origin. Okay, so Civil Rights Act, it was passed in 1964, passed in. Children, please remember, these things are important not only from political science point of view but from GK point of view also. GK के लिए अगर आपको question आएगा, Civil Rights Act was passed in which year? So you have to mention about 1964. Civil rights movement had started and the act was passed in 1964. It prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, national origin. So, race, religion, national origin, it started that all schools would be open to African American children. सारे schools खोल देने हैं African American children के लिए, बच्चों के लिए पूरे schools, and they would no longer have to attend separate schools specially set up for them. सबसे पहली चीज तो क्या था कि schools were, पहले क्या होता था ना, ब्लैक के लिए अलग अलग स्कूल होता था, व्हाइट के लिए अलग स्कूल होता था. सच अ बिग डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. गॉट इट? सो स्कूल्स वेयर ओपन फॉर ऑल अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन चिल्ड्रन. जितने भी अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन बच्चे थे उनके लिए ये स्कूल्स खोल दिया गया. दे डोंट हैव टू अटेंड सेपरेट स्कूल्स स्पेशली सेट अप फॉर देम, एंड मोस्ट अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन चिल्ड्रन दे कैन अफोर्ड टू अटेंड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स जिसमें बहुत कम फैसिलिटीज थी. दे हैड वेरी फ्यूअर फैसिलिटीज, पुअरली क्वालिफाइड टीचर्स. जैसे व्हाइट स्टूडेंट्स वेयर देयर, व्हाइट स्टूडेंट्स वेयर गेटिंग वेरी गुड एजुकेशन. सो इट वाज डिसाइडेड एजुकेशन कैसे किसी के लिए अलग अलग हो सकता है. एजुकेशन इज एजुकेशन. शिक्षा सबके लिए समान होनी चाहिए. गॉट इट? सो स्टूडेंट्स हु ईदर हैड टू गो टू प्राइवेट स्कूल्स और लिव इन एरियाज वेयर द गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स आर एज हाईली रेटेड एज प्राइवेट स्कूल्स. प्राइवेट स्कूल्स की तरह ही इट वॉज वेरी हाईली रेटेड. गॉट इट? अब इंडिया में आपको ये याद रखना है, सिविल राइट्स एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन 1964 एंड ऑल द स्कूल्स वेर ओपन फॉर द अफ्रीकन चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. पहले अलग अलग थे. दिस स्कूलिंग सिस्टम एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, बच्चे तो बच्चे हैं, वेदर ब्लैक और व्हाइट, दिस इज समथिंग दैट वाज वेरी रॉन्ग. Excerpt from Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. Excerpt from Article 15 of Indian Constitution. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या है? देयर इज प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, सेक्स और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. गॉट इट? Prohibition is there, discrimination is there on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 15 of Indian Constitution, children please try to understand, it is one of the most important articles. सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है ये आर्टिकल. And the state shall not discriminate. क्या था? किसी भी तरह, any kind of discrimination is not allowed. Children, please study it from the GK point of view. रट लेना. Please remember it very properly. आप इसको बहुत ही ध्यान से याद कर लेना. So, state shall not discriminate against any citizen. The state shall not discriminate any citizen, okay, on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Sex, place of birth or any of them. इनमें से कोई नहीं. Another thing is that no citizen shall, on grounds only of religion, race, class, place of birth, or any of them, be subject to any disability, inability, restriction, or condition. ठीक है? पहला तो the country में कोई भी nobody would be practicing discrimination. किसी भी basis पे discrimination नहीं होगा on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any other that kind. Then no citizen shall on ground only of religion, race, caste, sex, got it? Place of birth. Or any of them be subject to any disability, liability, restriction, got it, or condition with regard to, ठीक है, access to shop, public restaurant, access to shop, public restaurant, okay, hotels and places of public entertainment. Any place, पता है ये जितनी भी जगह लिखी हुई है, nobody can stop anyone from going there. कि नहीं नहीं, you are from the lower caste, don't go to this hotel. You are from the other religion, don't go to this temple. No, 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 no. On the basis of caste, religion, sex, कि मेल है फीमेल है, यहाँ इंटर नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ जा सकते हैं. These things had to stop. हाँ, इसके बाद क्या है? Use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats. Use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats, okay, roads and places of public resort, maintained wholly or partly out of state funds. Maintained wholly or partly out of state funds. याद कर लेना चिल्ड्रन, याद कर लेना. बिलीव मी, कंटिन्यूसली आई एम टेलिंग, आज नहीं, till anywhere you go for understanding, you know, you go for jobs or you go for some competitive examinations, Article 15 remains to be one of the very frequently asked question in all kinds of competitive examinations. Got it, children? So no country can be described as being completely democratic. कमी रहती है, communities are there, individuals are there, they are trying to expand the idea of democracy, push for a greater recognition of equality. ठीक है, new issues are there, existing issues are there. तो struggle for the recognition of all person as equal and for their dignity to be maintained. इस बुक में वी विल बी रीडिंग अबाउट हाउ द इक्वालिटी अफेक्ट्स वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स हमारी डेली लाइफ्स में इन आवर डेमोक्रेटिक इंडिया. जैसे जैसे वी रीड दिस चैप्टर वी विल बी थिंकिंग अबाउट द इक्वालिटी ऑफ ऑल पर्सन्स एंड बीइंग एबल टू मेंटेन देयर डिग्निटीज अपहेल्ड. आगे के चैप्टर्स में भी है. रिमेंबर इन मेनी चैप्टर्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द इक्वालिटी इशू. तो different basis पे different equality issues are there that we have already read. Article 15 अच्छे से देख लेना, अच्छे से पढ़ लेना. Let's discuss the question answers now, children. That is one of the very important parts. Got it, children? चलो, let's see the question answers.
So students, just now we were discussing about the issues of equality. We will be discussing about the question and answers. Children, 1-2 points were there which I really felt that you should know about these points. Pehla to some statements are there, children, which had been said by Baba Sahab Bhimrao Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar has said these statements. Somebody is living at the cost of one's self-respect. Self-respect for everybody is important. हर एक इंसान के लिए इज़्ज़त से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. इज़्ज़त इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो इट इज़ द मोस्ट वाइटल फैक्टर इन आवर लाइफ. तो मैन इज़ अ साइफर, एक इंसान जो है वो साइफर है, मीन्स हु इज़ लिविंग वर्दली विथ सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट, आत्मसम्मान के साथ, किसी के भी आत्मसम्मान के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस वर्ड आई वॉन्टेड यू टू डिस्कस इट विथ मी इन द ऑनलाइन सेशन. अब ये तो ऑफलाइन क्लासेस have also started, but still I will be waiting. Let me see who all are the students who can really help me in solving the meaning of this word cipher. Got it, children? Then man is mortal. सबको, everyone has to die someday or the other. लेकिन we must resolve to lay down one's life. How to enrich the noble ideals of self-respect. किस तरह ह्यूमन लाइफ को बेटर बनाना है. कोई भी चीज़ जो है, दैट इज़ नथिंग इज़ मोर डिस्ग्रेसफुल फॉर अ ब्रेव मैन देन टू लीव लाइफ डिवॉइड ऑफ सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट. सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट छोड़ के इस तरह से रहना किसी भी इंसान के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शर्म की बात है. Got it? This is there. Some statements by B.R. Ambedkar. You should know. Here the picture of Rosa Parks is there, children. Rosa Parks is one of the very inspirational figures in history. Just see, an African American woman, पूरी अमेरिकन हिस्ट्री को इन्होंने बदल के रख दिया. शी चेंज द कंप्लीट थिंग्स. शी मेड द पीपल बिलीव रॉन्ग इज़ रॉन्ग. गलत जो है वो गलत ही है. नाउ व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड इज Article 15, children. We have already discussed a lot about Article 15. पूरा का पूरा आर्टिकल जो है ये आपको देखना है. General public should be given respect at all the places. There should not be discrimination at the park, at the public places, beach पे, जहाँ भी एक आम आदमी रह रहा है वहाँ पे इसके साथ किसी भी तरह का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. Got it, children? Completely democratic के लिए हर बार communities are there, individuals are there. They are trying to expand the idea of democracy. Greater recognition is there. ये सारी चीज़ें हमको देखनी है. In a democracy, universal adult franchise is important. Just look at the questions, of course. Universal adult franchise is one of the things which is promoting equality, which is talking universal adult franchise के ऊपर. Children, please mention this answer. Another question, Article 15 को पढ़ना है, and 2 ways जिसमें कि article is talking about inequality. किन किन चीज़ों पे inequality के ऊपर बात हुई है, we need to talk about it. ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि, जैसे ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि वॉज डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट, तो इसमें यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सिमिलैरिटी. Ansaris, they were treated unequally on the basis of religion. What do you understand by the term all persons are equal before the law? Law के सामने सब बराबर हैं. Why it is important in democracy? ये important क्यों है democracy में? We need to be very sure about it. Got it, children? People with disabilities have equal rights, and government should make possible their full participation in the society. Yes, so many schools are there for the disabled. आजकल कोई भी डिसेबल नहीं है. एवरीबडी जो कि चाहे सुन सकते हैं नहीं देख सकते हैं, दे आर ऑल ट्रीटेड इक्वली. schools are there, colleges are there, and arrangements have been made for the better treatment of these people. Got it? Then we have the glossary. Children, just go through these word meanings. 1 mark questions can be asked from these words. Please go through it properly and see that you are not missing on any of these word meanings. Universal adult franchise, dignity, constitution, civil rights movement, all this, just go through it. Okay, children? So here we come to an end of this chapter. Next class may we'll be starting the revision of a new chapter. Till then, children, thank you so much and all the best to you. God bless you all, children. And please study hard for your forthcoming annual examinations. Okay, children? Thank you and all the best to you.